At all times, the majority, the biggest part of your mind is silent. Did you ever know that? Your mind is silent all the time. A little bitty part of your mind is busy thinking about this and that, but the major portion of it is still in silent, not saying anything. You're only paying attention to the noisy part here. At all times, your mind is silent. One way to notice how your mind is silent is that although your intellect is listening to what's being said, there is within you the awareness of the totality of this room and where we are in Sedona and Arizona. There's a silent part of you that just accepts that the sky is here without thinking, sky. Space is here, silence is here. But the ego wants you to focus on it so it can survive. As you withdraw your energy back from being entranced and enamored of the mind and its goings on, you become there is at all times, the majority of your mind is silent. Even the thinkingness, which is going on here, does not interfere with the silence, because you cannot interfere with the silence. If you're out in the woods, the woods are silent. A bird makes a song. Did the bird destroy the silence? No, the silence is still there. The bird sound is superimposed against the background of the silence, or else you couldn't hear the bird. But it is the silence, so the silence is immune to interruption, just as the silent area of your mind is always silent. What is your mind doing when it's not thinking? It's being silent. People panic. Jesus, my mind suddenly went dead. I didn't think of anything. Doctor, do you think I'm well? Am I getting Alzheimer's? No, the silence is the presence within on the level of consciousness. And out of your consciousness comes the awareness, which is witnessing and registering the thinkingness. But it's all coming out of a silence. This silence prevails right before the thought arises.